Welcome to another video. We are going to have a quick walkthrough of another video editor. We are going to talk about its pros and cons. My name is Jacob GU. Today we are going to talk about Adobe Spark Video, and feel free to check out other videos on my channel as well. Hopefully they will help you to pick the best video editor for yourself. And what is Spark Video? Spark Video is a video storytelling application for iPad and iPhone, and it's developed by Adobe. It combines motion graphics, audio recording, music, text, photos, and it's used to produce short animated video. It becomes Adobe's first application to be named by Apple as an App Store's best application of the year, and it has been downloaded over 3.5 million times, so it's very popular. Unlike other video and animation applications that relies on a timeline, Adobe Spark Video has a unique, simplified animation model. Users need to create a page for their own stories on their device by pressing an on-screen button like a walkie-talkie, and just choose the photo, icon, and text to add to the page, and repeat each steps for each page of the story in their videos, and that's it. Okay, so let's just open the application. And once you open the application, there is the plus button and there's inspiration. If you go into inspiration, there are a lot of video samples there. Just so you know, I noticed that a lot of the video sample is not actually made by this application. Looks like they're just trying to promote the video application to make it look better than what it is. It's still a solid application, but it does not make such a complicated video as it shows on the samples. So let's tap the plus button, and I'm just gonna go straight to skip to the editor. So here we have just one page for this whole video stories, and then we get to the credit and the outro right away. It defaults to this way. You can always tap the plus button all the way on the right hand corner. You can add multiple page for your stories. You can add unlimited page. So I'm gonna go through the option on the top of the screen first. We have layout. So once you get to layout, there's 4 choices here. You can choose to set the video to be full screen. You can also set to a split screen. So split screen will be a video on one side and text on the other side. Or if you tap captions and also having split screen, it will be video on one side and the caption on the other side. But if you choose captions and full screen, the captions will stay at the bottom of your screen, of your videos. But if you go title and text, that will be 2 lines of text over your video. So I'm gonna go back, and we have theme here. Themes is just different video style. It's combined with colors, different colors here, and also combined with a style of a transition. So unlike traditional video editor that relies on a timeline where you can set different transition between each video clips. So let's say a video clip is a page of your video story. With this application, once you set the whole video theme, you cannot change the individual transition between each page of your video story. So that's just a limitation of this application. And we have resize. There's only 2 sizes with this application: wide screen or square. There is no vertical video with this application, and also there is music. Not a lot of music to choose here. You can choose the music from your iTunes or choose a file from your device. Just so you know, the tricky part is to find the royalty-free music that is allowed in commercial settings. If you're curious about that, just check out another video that I made on my channel about finding the right music for your videos. And let me go to so share is once you finish the video, you can tap share to export your project. So let's get to making the video. Now I'm on the first page of my video stories. What I can do is I believe my video is preset to full screen, and I'm gonna tap on that, and I will tap the plus button, and now I can choose either video, text, photo, or the icon. So icons, I'm gonna put dog here. You type a keyword and all those icons will show up. And photo, this application works really well with voiceover combined with photo and text. It's a storytelling application, right? So I'm gonna show you, let's say a video that I download off the internet. I'm gonna go with this one. So when you import a video clip to a page of your video story using this application, no matter how long this video clip is, you can only select 30 seconds from this video clip to be placed in this page of your video story. So anything that is left over, anything that's beyond the 30 seconds, you can't. But however, you can tap this button to transfer the remaining part of that video clip that you couldn't include it in the first page and move it to the second page of the video story. So that's one thing that you can do. And then once you imported that video clip to your page for that story, and you can tap plus, and then you can enter, just enter text. I'm gonna enter 1 here. And you can also adjust the size of the text and tap done. So like I said, you can change the settings on the top using those options, but you're gonna have to just repeat each steps for each page until your video is finished. So let me show you on one of the project that I already finished. So this video project has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, has 6 pages for this video story, which is 6 clips. So let me show you what I did with the first one. The first one, I just import a video clips and I add the text 1, and the second page the same. I import a video clips and I add text 2, and the third one I add 3, and then I add a few more. So now let me just play back and show you what the video looks like. So yeah, that's done. It's pretty straightforward and simple. It's ideal for just making a quick video story. And what you can do also is you can tap on this on-screen button, this red screen button, and just hold on to it, and you can speak, and it will do a voiceover for the video clips. You don't always have to use the music. So that's pretty much it for this application. If you like my video, be sure to give me a thumb up. If you and also be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can make more video to show people how to create content for themselves. So I hope by watching some of my video will help you to pick the best video editor for yourself to create your own video. And today That's it for today, and bye for now.